Sony has recently made waves in the audio industry by introducing a cutting-edge sound system that defies conventional categorizations. The latest addition to their lineup, the Sony HT-AX7, is a remarkable device that blurs the boundaries between a soundbar and a wireless speaker. With its detachable surround speakers and compact appearance, the HT-AX7 offers a versatile and immersive audio experience that can be enjoyed virtually anywhere. One of the standout features of the Sony HT-AX7 is its detachable surround speakers. Whether you want to enjoy a movie with captivating surround sound or create a more immersive gaming experience, the HT-AX7 provides the flexibility to tailor the audio setup to your preferences. Any previous Sony sound offering is very different from the Sony HT-AX7. It is referred to as a portable theater system, and can be converted into a tripartite system from a single unit. This is due to the unit's two integrated, detachable speakers. With its distinctive setup, the Sony HT-AX7 provides spatial and room-filling sound throughout the space. Immersive sound is produced when the speakers are arranged in a triangle and distributed throughout the house. Sony 360 Spatial Sound Mapping technology uses a tripartite triangular configuration to create multiple phantom speakers that surround the space. This provides surround sound audio with the added advantage of spatial audio. Without having to permanently embed or install speakers on the wall or ceiling, you simply need to move the speakers around. The upmixer algorithm used by the Sony HT-AX7 can convert stereo sound into three-dimensional surround sound. This makes it possible to deliver immersive sound and analyze audio in real time. Reviews of the HT-AX7 spatial audio have recently been favorable, whether listening to music or watching films on a TV. The adaptable Sony HT-AX7 can also be used as a portable speaker for your home that you can place anywhere in the space. The HT-AX7 has Bluetooth connectivity and a battery life of up to 30 hours. In addition to its impressive hardware features, the Sony HT-AX7 sound system comes equipped with a dedicated control tool that enhances the user experience. The Sony Home Entertainment Connect app serves as the primary interface for managing and customizing the settings of the HT-AX7, offering a convenient and intuitive way to optimize the audio performance according to personal preferences. The Home Entertainment Connect app simplifies the initial setup process by providing a guided step-by-step configuration for the sound system. Users can follow the on-screen instructions on their smartphones, ensuring that the HT-AX7 is correctly installed and connected to the desired devices. This user-friendly approach eliminates any complexities that may arise during the setup, making it accessible to all users, regardless of their technical expertise. Once the HT-AX7 is properly configured, the Sony Home Entertainment Connect app becomes the control hub for managing various sound parameters. Users can effortlessly adjust the sound field, volume levels, and other essential audio settings directly from their smartphones. The absence of a physical remote unit is a deliberate appearance choice by Sony, aiming to simplify the user experience and reduce clutter. By relying solely on the app, users can conveniently control the HT-AX7 from their smartphones, eliminating the need to search for a dedicated remote or worry about its battery life. Sony has taken a conscious step towards environmental sustainability with the HT-AX7. The product is constructed using 100% recycled PET bottles, showcasing Sony's commitment to minimizing environmental impact through responsible manufacturing practices. Additionally, the packaging of the sound system is composed of sustainable materials, such as bamboo, sugarcane, and recycled paper, further reducing the ecological footprint. The Sony HT-AX7 is set to launch in August 2023, initially in Australia and other markets, with an estimated price tag of $500. This competitive pricing makes the HT-AX7 an attractive option for users seeking a feature-rich and environmentally conscious sound system, without breaking the bank. Sony's commitment to delivering both technological innovation and sustainable practices makes the HT-AX7 a compelling choice for consumers looking to enhance their home entertainment setup. I really like their new sound system, and you, write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.